my friends, and welcome to my closet. Ah, yes, my closet. Home of clothes that I love. Home of clothes that I don't really like. Home of clothes that I don't wear enough. Home of clothes that I will probably never fit into. But there's something hiding in this closet, and that is a bunch of Halloween costumes. As the damage that fast fashion is causing to our environment comes into the spotlight, I think it's also easy to notice that Halloween costumes are another place where people spend a lot of money, wear something once or twice, and then get rid of it or never use it again. So today I want to show you some cartoon costumes that you can pull right out of your closet. They may not be exactly the way that the cartoon character looks, but let's be real. A few differences in your cartoon is worth saving $40 and not wasting resources. We're gonna start with one of my favorite characters ever, Sam Manson from Danny Phantom. Fun fact, Sam was the first costume I ever made. Here's a picture. It's real, not good. It's real. Look at that skirt. Oh my god. Okay, so Sam is just a goth girl, so all you really need for this is a plaid skirt, purple tights or leggings if you have them, combat boots, and a black tank top. Some extra accessories that she has are black bangles and a choker, and she also ties her hair up in a half ponytail. So I grabbed a green scrunchie. Obviously, I don't have a shirt with the purple oval on it. If I was gonna wear this costume to a party, I would probably affix a purple oval to the front of the shirt, either through paper or felt or another material. Another fun fact, I've had her actual outfit in my closet probably for the last 6 years. Sam is a ultra recyclo-vegetarian goth girl icon, okay? And I grew up to be an edgy vegan, so a lot of people have told me that I am Sam in real life, and I deeply appreciate that comment. And the last thing you're gonna need is some purple lipstick. We don't really see her wear a whole lot of makeup otherwise, but she is always rocking that purple lipstick. The next cartoon character that is pretty easy to recreate an outfit for is Velma from Scooby-Doo. All you need for Velma's costume is a yellow or orange turtleneck, a red or burgundy skirt, socks that match whatever color turtleneck that you chose. And for shoes, I went with black Mary Jane's. Her shoes in the show are usually the same color as her skirt, but I didn't want to buy another pair of shoes just to use for this one instance, and a black pair of Mary Jane's is applicable to a lot of different outfits that I love, so I went with black. For my glasses, I actually have an old pair of real glasses. I thought that these were cool when I got them in 2014. The next costume is Ashley Spinelli from Recess. 2000s and 90s kids remember. All you need for this one is an orange beanie, red hair ties, a leather jacket, a red or orange dress. If you don't have a red or orange dress, you could also go with shorts and a red shirt, and then black boots. She does wear striped tights, but again, I think that's an item that would be a one-use purchase, so therefore I'm not gonna do it. Another easy one, as long as you have just a couple items, is Kim Possible. My hair is nothing like hers right now, but all you really need is some green pants, a cropped black shirt, black shoes, and then you're good to go. I actually have this blue video now from when I was a kid that kind of looks like a communicator, so it makes an excellent prop. Another old costume I wanted to throw in here just to show you is Double D from Ed, Edd n Eddy. I wore blue shoes, although I'm not sure where my blue shoes are right now, and then I wore purple joggers, an orange t-shirt, and I took a black beanie that I had that was kind of old, and I just threaded some white yarn through it. And my last closet costume suggestion is Mac from Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, and given my current haircut, I can kind of pull this one off. And as a last note, I want to show you the costume I'm actually going to be using for Halloween this year, which is a costume I built over the last 2 years and didn't really get a chance to wear to a place where it got a lot of attention yet, and that's Raven from Teen Titans. I put a lot of effort and hours into crafting this costume, and I know that that's not something that everyone is interested in. I hope something in this video is useful to you. Eat some candy, brush your teeth, try not to drink too much if you're of legal drinking age, and most of all, enjoy yourself and treasure the time that you have with your friends. Halloween is an awesome holiday. It's my personal favorite, and it's one of the few days a year where you can look however the hell you want, and no one can really tell you otherwise unless you're doing something offensive. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Can I ask you kind of a weird question?